$350 billion. That's how big the e-course market is globally. And it's growing at 21% annually. So if you're a creator sat there and you're not making e-courses or building e-learning for your audience, what's going on? Hey guys, my name is Ben, I'm from the KLIQ team, and we're going to be diving into the KLIQ platform on how you can use the AI e-course builder to double down on taking some of that stress of building an e-course out of the way. We're going to dive in on how you can actually start to get ready, how you can utilize the AI, and also how it looks on the front end. So let's dive in and start making some of that money. Okay, so welcome back to the KLIQ website. And as per usual with all these videos, if you want to find out more, head over to joinkliq.io, click the product section at the top, and you'll start to see more of the features and the tools that you can get started with. Obviously, today we're going to go through e-courses, so you can just jump on there, see how some of the other creators are using it, and also, some of the functionality that you may want. Okay, from there, go ahead and log in, or if you haven't already, take advantage of our 14-day free trial and click the sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and go to our admin panel, and I'm just going to sign myself in so that we can start to get started on how you can build out your e-course. So very, very easy. I've decided that I'm going to start doing e-courses. So I've gone ahead and gone to modules, and I've selected online courses from the menu. Now I've gone and done that earlier, and I've actually created an e-course before, but for the purposes of this video, let's dive straight in and actually create a new course, and I'll show you how simple it is and how we've taken off some of that heavy lifting for you. So go ahead and click create course, and it's going to take you to our AI prompt-based e-course builder. Avery is our AI agent. You may have interacted with Avery with your YouTube performance, because Avery is also a YouTube ChatGPT coach. For the purposes of the e-course builder though, all I'm going to go ahead and do is build a course on health and wellness. This used to be my previous world. I want the course to be 6 modules covering calories, foam rolling, breathing well, and healthy habits and goal setting. Deep dive into the sections with data and science. So I go ahead and click create e-course. Now, the better the prompt, the better the modules it's going to spit out. Wow, it's done it automatically already. So you can see that it has created a course, 6 courses in fact, on the right hand side, and it's given it's a very simple name of health and wellness course. Now, I would of course go and change that. I also have the ability to either use this description. Let's read it out. This course is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of key aspects of health and wellness, including calories, foam rolling, breathing techniques, healthy habits, and goal setting. Each module delves deep into the science and data behind these topics to help you make informed decisions for a healthy lifestyle. It's not bad. I might just, add a little bit extra, but what you'll see is that it's actually built out the framework for the course itself. So all I need to do is click into, say, the science of calories, make sure that I'm happy with this description, and upload a video that fits basically that description. Super easy. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once you've uploaded all your content, you can decide whether you want to have this as a free e-course, maybe use it as a lead magnet, I'm not quite sure. Or you can have it as a paid subscriber. So paid content in your KLIQ store that people are subscribing to. Now, if you are going to go through the paid subscriber side of things, and you have a mobile app, you will need to turn on in-app purchase. In-app purchase meaning the double click on the side that you would have from either iOS or Android. And just remember, guys, that if you have a mobile app on the App Store through the KLIQ platform and you have in-app purchase, to price yourself accordingly, because Apple and Google will take 30% of your revenue. Okay, I'm not. I'm going to do this as a free tier. So this is going to go straight into my KLIQ store, and I can just click publish and go ahead and save. Okay, so all I need to do is add an actual cover image, which will give me the the size implications here, which, guys, do follow that, because that gives you the best bang for your buck on the image. So I'm going to go ahead and add an image now which fits that bill. So one thing to note is when you're uploading a video on your e-course, you do want to make sure that the video that is in the media storage section of the platform has a thumbnail attached. I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I just go ahead and go into the video on calories, which is part of my course, I will just need to either upload a thumbnail or select a frame for the thumbnail, which will show in the actual e-course itself. So I'm going to have a look at some of these, make sure that I'm not, there we go, let's just select that one. And I need to go down and save. Okay, so you're going to land on the storefront, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like on mobile. Okay, so now I'm checking out my storefront, and if I scroll down, you will see my e-courses. Now, it's on the left-hand side, so I'm just going to click into that, and you will see the modules and the cover photo pop up. Super cool, right? So if I click into Start Course as a paying subscriber, it will now bring up this video that I spoke to you about earlier.
Hey guys, it's Ben here from Normal. Today we're talking all things calories.
So once people have gone through your module, you'll see that they can go to the next lesson and start to obviously take advantage of the other videos. And if you have uploaded a PDF, great, but definitely focus on video content. Yeah, 72% of e-courses that are preferred video do a lot better. Okay, and also remember that desktop students are something that you need to focus on. So luckily you have a desktop view here. And the reason why I've focused on the desktop is because 33% of students actually that succeed do have desktop experience, or want to, or prefer to have desktop experience. So making sure that you go and check it on the desktop as well is super important. And so it's made to really help level up your e-course and that end user experience. And there you have it, guys. It's as easy as that to get started on the KLIQ platform and starting to build your e-courses. Now remember, I mentioned 350 billion is the global market size, but when you're thinking about pricing it, remember that between 27 and 97, I know it's quite broad, is the price point generally that does incredibly well. I spoke about obviously adding video to your e-course, and don't make it boring just with text, and make sure that you have a feedback loop. So click on the community section within your KLIQ store so that your students can actually engage with you whilst they're going through the course, because the main thing you want is for those users to complete that course, get real value, and start to tell more people. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you on the KLIQ platform.